Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your OPE class. Dear kids, open your book page number 22. It's checkup time. Unit 4, checkup time. Let's do the exercise A. Listen to your teacher. Draw a line from person to the correct food and then color it. For example, Fiza got 5 mangoes. So we colored them orange. Ali got 3 ice cream, so we make a line between Ali and ice cream, and we don't color them because they are white. Sarah got 5 sweets. Make a line between Sarah and sweets, and we color them red. Mummy got some beans, so we make a line between Mummy and beans, and then we color them green. Now Daddy got some eggs, so we make a line between egg and Daddy. Then we color the eggs brown. Now we come to exercise B. How many? Now we solve the question answers about the pictures in exercise A. For example, how many mangoes does Fiza have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She has 5 mangoes. Now let's see how many sweets does Sarah have. She has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. She has 5 sweets. Now dear kids, solve the other questions like that on your English copy. Now come to exercise C, phonics and words. Exercise C, write the question and answers about this picture. For example, what's this? It's a van. What's this? It is a ball. What's this? It is a hen. What's this? It is a book. What's this? It is a cat. Dear kids, now it's your turn to complete this exercise on your book and complete these 2 exercises on your copy. Allah Hafiz.